This video covers electrical verification, the comprehensive testing procedures conducted after house wiring is complete. These procedures ensure safety, performance, and legal compliance of the electrical installation. The need for verification is critical. Before energizing any new installation, a sequence of rigorous tests must prove the wiring is safe for human occupancy and industrial use. The first and most critical stage is visual inspection, checking for visible defects without test equipment. We verify correct ratings, proper termination, fire hazards, and circuit labeling. Next is the continuity of protectors. This ensures the earth path is unbroken from the farthest outlet back to the main terminal, which is vital for safety and RCD operation. We use a low-resistance ohmmeter, seeking extremely low values. Test number 3 is ring final circuit continuity, common in standard wiring. This end-to-end loop check verifies the continuity of phase, neutral, and earth loops, ensuring current capacity is shared and detecting breaks or spurs. The fourth test is insulation resistance. We apply high voltage, typically 500 volts DC, and measure the resistance between conductors. This confirms current stays within the wires, preventing fire or electric shock. A reading above 100 megaohms is ideal. Polarity testing ensures correct wiring orientation for switches, sockets, and lamp holders. For safety, single-pole switches must be installed only on the live conductor, and the live, neutral, and earth connections must be correct at every terminal. Earth fault loop impedance, or ZEIS testing, measures the total path resistance from the supply transformer to the outlet. Low impedance is required so that enough current flows during a fault to instantly trip the circuit breaker. The RCD test is a lifesaver, ensuring the residual current device trips and disconnects power when a small earth leakage current is detected. It involves both a mechanical test and a time test, ensuring tripping occurs within 40 milliseconds. This table summarizes standard acceptable values for various verification tests, including required instruments and minimum compliance requirements for continuity, insulation resistance, polarity, RCD disconnection, and voltage supply. Upon passing all tests, the electrician issues an electrical installation certificate. This EIC is the legal proof of safety for householders and essential for industrial insurance and compliance. Remember, safety is not an option, it's a standard.